We're now going to show you how easy it is to install Minimal Track. We'll start by connecting the power supply box to the driver that will supply the system. If you wish, before we begin, you can create and draw your design with a pencil. First, we fit the angles and changes in direction. This will help us obtain the length of the straight sections and cut them to the exact size. All the profile sections are applied in the same way. We mark the fastening points, we drill the holes, we insert the plugs, and finally we fit the profile and screw it into its final position. It is important to be very careful and precise in the installation to achieve a perfect fit between profile segments. We repeat the process as often as necessary until we complete the installation. We have now finished installing the profile. Now we must insert the flexible rubber conductor. The first step is to supply electricity to the flexible rubber from one end, connecting its two interior cables. The time has come to continue inserting the flexible rubber along the whole profile, gradually with our hands. At corners and changes in direction, tauten the conductor with one hand and press with the other, thus forcing the rubber to make the turn. It is important for the rubber to be well inserted, flat, with no twists or turns. When we reach the end of the profile, we cut off surplus rubber and fit the cover cap. Finally, we fit the luminaires, always by means of the same process. They must be placed in the direction marked by the power supply. First, we insert the opposite end of the adapter to the connectors. Then we must place pressure on them so they prick the rubber, thus connecting the luminaire. Finally, we secure it in place by turning the safety catches a quarter turn. We have now finished installing a Minimal Track system. Elegant, simple, minimalist, and very easy to install.